Question number 14 is a consecutive integer problem. Keep in mind consecutive numbers are numbers that follow one right after another, like 1, 2, 3, or 20, 21, and 22. And consecutive integers are what we use when we don't know what the numbers are, but we do know that the numbers are consecutive. Our problem reads, 3 consecutive integers are such that the first plus 1/2 of the second plus 7 less than twice the third is 2,101. What are the integers? So we know that there's 3 numbers, they are consecutive, and the first plus 1/2 of the second plus 7 less than 2 times the third is equal to 2,101. Well, let's take the first 3 consecutive integers. The first consecutive integer is x, the second consecutive integer is x plus 1, and the third consecutive integer is x plus 2. So we have the first consecutive integer, which we're going to leave all by itself and call it x. We're going to take 1/2 of the second consecutive integer, so we have 1/2 times the quantity of x plus 1. And with the third consecutive integer, we're going to take 7 less than 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. Remember that less than is one of those key words, so we're going to write it backwards. 7 less than 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. Now let's put it all together. X plus 1/2 of x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 2,101. Now let's simplify and let's distribute the 1/2 and the 2. X plus 1/2 times x is 1/2 x, plus 1/2 times 1, which is 1/2, plus 2 times x, which is 2x, plus 2 times 2, which is 4, minus 7 is equal to 2,101. Now let's combine our like terms. X plus 1/2 x plus 2x gives us 3.5x, and 1/2 plus 4 minus 7 gives us negative 2.5, and that's equal to 2,101. Now, normally I don't tell you to change fractions to decimals, but in this case it's a little easier to work with. So we're going to change 3.5 to 3.5, and we're going to change 2.5 to 2.5. So now we have 3.5x is equal to 2,103.5, and in order to get x by itself, we're going to use the multiplication principle, which says that we're going to divide both sides of our equal sign by 3.5. Well, 3.5 divided by 3.5 gives us 1x, or just x, and 2,103 divided by 3.5 gives us 601. Well, that is the first unknown number, but now we have to figure out the second unknown number and the third unknown number. If x is equal to 601, then x plus 1 equals 602, and x plus 2 is going to be equal to 603. So our final answer, 601, 602, and 603.